Hey guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you a very easy and simple cookie recipe. I am making almond raspberry shortbread cookies. These are so simple, so easy to put together. My family love them and I think you will too. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to cream our butter and our sugar. So in a large bowl, I already have my softened butter, and to that I'm gonna add my white granulated sugar. And using a hand electric mixer, I'm gonna mix it until the butter is nice and fluffy. That shouldn't take very long because the butter should be soft, so it will be easier to cream. So after that, we're going to go ahead and add our almond extract, give it another mix, and then we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. So for our dry ingredients, we have some all-purpose flour and salt. Very simple recipe. So using your hand electric mixer, mix it all together. You will see that the dough is like crumbly, so that's when you're gonna go use your spatula and your hands to mix the dough together and bring it all together. So, and after that, I'm gonna put it on some plastic wrap and I'm gonna place it into the fridge like for about 30 minutes to 1 hour to make sure that the dough is very easy to handle. So I just left mine in the fridge for 30 minutes, and what you're going to do, you're going to take like 1-inch piece and then you're going to roll it on your hand until it forms like a ball, and then you're going to place it on a ungreased baking sheet. Once you have all your balls in there, you're going to take your thumb and you're going to press it down, and then you're going to go ahead and add your jam. I am using raspberry because that's my favorite. So once you have all your cookies done, filled, we're gonna bake them at a 350°F for 10 to 13 minutes. It really depends on the size of your cookies. So mine took 10 minutes to bake, and after they come out of the oven, let them cool completely, and then we're gonna make a simple glaze. The glaze is optional, but I think it makes the cookie look extra pretty, but you don't have to do the glaze. So in a bowl, I have some icing sugar, which is powdered sugar, and to that I'm gonna add some almond extract and some milk. You can use water if you want. You just add milk or water to make sure that the glaze is nice and thin. So just mix it all together until it has the consistency of glaze. And what I did, I put it on a Ziploc bag and just drizzle. I went like crazy. I wasn't even thinking about it. Just don't even think about it when you do it, because the more you think about it, the more you will mess it up. So just do it randomly, just drizzle it randomly, and after that let the glaze settle a little bit, and after that enjoy your cookie. So I'm gonna have one of my cookies now. So oh my god, it smells so buttery. It is so good. Oh my god. It's so perfect. Make some cookie for your family, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your friends. Make these cookies and they will love you. The recipe will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for every video, every Sunday. Yeah. Like my video, comment, and I see you next time. Bye.